Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be taking you through how you can earn free money on Coinbase, basically earning free crypto with no string attached. So the first step is you're going to have to create a Coinbase account. So I'm going to leave the link down in the description below. So if you want to use my referral link, be sure to check that out. So when you've created an account, you're going to go through KYC and all of that. So make sure to get that done. And then the first step is you have to share your link. Get $10 free in crypto. Give a friend of free crypto. So if a friend should join using your link, you and the other friend are going to get $10 each in BTC. So it's just free money with no string attached. And then the second step is using DCA. This is set up with COINBASE. DCA basically means dollar cost averaging. That's basically what it means. Like you can buy weekly, you can buy daily, you can buy 1st and 15th of the month, you can buy monthly. It's basically what works for you. And you can buy as low as $10, you can see there. Yeah, so when you use your DCA, you're going to get $5 in free crypto as well. Set up, as you can see, set up a COINBASE of $50 or more and get $5 after your second buy. So you might set it to weekly or even daily. So you might get it the second day. And all of this free money, who knows, they might compound one day. So, and the third way to earn is by holding some coins on Coinbase. Coins like Tezos, I think, Tezos, DAI, and then, basically, this is my lifetime reward. This is all I've been earning so far, because on Coinbase, I'm holding Algo, Tezos, and Cosmos. Cosmos is basically automatic, earning 5% APY. APY stands for annual percentage yield. Algorand, Tezos, or DAI. DAI is basically a stable coin. It's basically a stable coin. It's like a stable coin, a crypto version of a dollar. It is pegged towards the dollar. So whatever value a dollar is what DAI is going to be. So they don't move far from each other. So you're going to earn 2% APY just holding DAI on Coinbase. So it's just a way to put your money, just a way to put your crypto to work instead of them just gathering dust in your portfolio. So it's an effective way to earn a little bit of passive income. And then the last but not the least way to earn money on Coinbase is by learning about cryptos. It's basically free money. It's just like a quiz. I've answered this. That's why you see this. So you see, end $1 bond, end $1 bond, end $1 bond. Just on that, it's just a quiz that is under 5 minutes you finished, and then you've earned $3. AMP as well, you've earned $3. I've earned $3. The graph GLT also, and Stellar XLM. You earned. So as a new user, you're going to have all these options available. It's just because I've opened mine and I've earned. That's why you see earn $2 XLM, that's $6 in XLM. Free money, no string attached. And then comp, I earned $9 in comp. So it's basically free money. And after earning them, you can actually convert them to whatever altcoin or crypto you have in your portfolio to even have more exposure. So it's basically free money. And I think when you earn everything on Coinbase, it's up to $30, I think. Everything is up to $30. So it's basically like free $30 for a fraction of your time. And you can convert it you can even withdraw it immediately if that's what you want to do. So it's really, really an effective way to earn a passive income. Yeah, so that's all I have for you guys today. Make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, share, please. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.